Hello guys, welcome back to Minimal Tech. Today we're gonna look at a budget 60% keyboard from CannonKeys, the Bakeneko 60. An unlimited GB board priced at just 129 USD. This is a banger of a keyboard, and dare I say, it could be an endgame 60% keyboard for many out there. The key comes in a nice thick carrying case, and the case itself is wrapped around a white cloth. I have opted for the navy color and it looks pretty clean. The material used is aluminium, so it's pretty good. There are some circle marks in the inner side of the case, but to be honest, you're not gonna see it anyways after building. And the USB port is in the center. And by the way, I'd ordered the switch tripod along with the key. If you all want a video specifically on these, do let me know in the comment. Along with the case, we have got an O-ring mount, cause this is an O-ring mount board for that bouncy typing experience. We have got a daughterboard cable. We have 4 silicone bump-ons and some screws with an Allen key. A Hotswap PCB designed by CannonKeys themselves. Some snap-in stabilizers and a sticker to paste on your forehead. A daughterboard, nicely packed in a pouch. And an FR4 plate, which is only available with the set. Before moving on with the video, please make sure to give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. First, you need to put on the 4 silicone bump-ons so you don't scratch the case. Then screw in the board with the small screws given. And don't drop the screws like I did. Dang it. Shit. So finally I screwed in the daughterboard, and also make sure not to over tighten it because it may damage the surface of the keyboard. Now clipping and looping of the stabilizers. For the housing, I've used the Cutouts 205 grade 0. And for the wire, I've used XHT BDZ loop. I'm starting to prefer BDZ over the dielectric grease because it's nice, thick and consistent. Also, do make sure to clip the stabilizers. The first time I forgot to clip them, they sounded kinda mushy, so don't forget clip the stabilizers. If you don't know how to clip and loop the stabilizers, do check out my video card on the right hand corner. For assembly, match the large holes on the PCB to the snap-in prongs on the stabilizer. Just push it in. Takes a bit of force, but make sure to push it in all the way. After it has been pushed in all the way, the tolerances should be tight. After all the stabilizers are done, place the plate on the PCB. Please make sure to align the stabilizer to the holes on the PCB. Now put in your favorite switches. Today I'm going to use the C3 Tangerine 62 grams lubed and filmed. One tip is to put all the 4 corner switches first, so that easy for putting in the other switches as the plate stays in place. Also make sure all the switches are seated firmly on the PCB. Then put the O-ring between the plate and the PCB. The O-ring is pretty flexible, so there should be no hiccups in that. Now attach the daughterboard cable to the PCB and place the PCB into the case. For the keycaps, we are going EPBT white on black. And the build is done. The building was pretty easy, and gotta say the keycaps looks fantastic on the navy case. Now before I say my opinions on this board, let's hear the sound test. So, in my opinion, the board is truly incredible for the price you're paying. The building experience was pretty good. It sounds nice, the build quality is good, and it does have good amount of flex. So currently it's gonna be the best 60% board out there, under $200. And that's it for today guys. I hope you liked the video. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel for more awesome keep content like this one, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.